I'm tired. I'm gonna actually complete the second problem for graphing parabolas. You notice that this particular problem, it's in vertex form, okay? And so in vertex form, remember vertex form is y equals ax minus h squared plus k. Vertex form, a equals -1. So that means that this opens down. The axis of symmetry in vertex form is really easy. All it is x equals h. And when you take out h, you have to flip the sign. So x equals -5. Remember to always put x equals. So we have x equals -5 right here. Now the vertex is hk. So that gives me -5, 3. 3, we don't flip the sign. I'm going to go ahead and plot -5, 3, which is right here. Okay, the x-intercept, we have to set y equal to 0. So that means it's going to be 0 equals -x plus 5 squared plus 3. I'm going to use Diego's method. Subtract 3 on both sides. -3 equals -x plus 5 squared. Divide both sides by -1. 3 equals x plus 5 squared. Square root both sides. And so we get an x plus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 3. That gives you x equals -5 plus or minus the square root of 3. I'm going to use my calculator. And then, whoops. Go ahead and put that in. -5 plus the square root of 3. It's going to give me a -3.3. So x equals -3.3. Let's put in the negative counterpart. -5 minus square root 3. So -6.7. So x equals -6.7. So my x-intercepts are going to be -3.3, comma 0 and -6.7, comma 0. Let's go ahead and plot those. Here's my vertex. -3.30, which is right here. And -6.7, which is somewhere here. And guys, I can actually make my parabola now. I don't need 2 other points, except for those. I can write those as my 2 other points. Now, let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0. So that means we have y equals -0 plus 5 squared plus 3. Y equals -5 squared plus 3. Y equals -25 plus 3. Y equals -25 plus 3. So y equals -22. We can't graph that, but I'm just going to include it. 0, comma, -22. And we have our completed chart and our parabola. Okay, good job, guys.